Hi, it's Steve. I'm in Basingstoke this morning, just backing on to an 18 tonner. We've been asked to collect on behalf of a hire company. It's got a cracked cylinder head, and so I'm just backing onto it now, and we're taking it back to the hire company to be fixed. Right, okay, let's get it loaded. About central. There we go. It's an 18 tonner DAF fridge wagon, so it is all empty. I've been and seen them in reception. They say it's okay to go. The keys are in it, so the handbrake's on. I've checked that, so I've had to cover the number plate like we do. Unfortunately, I do quite a lot of filming, and a lot of the time they're full of sort of sign writing on the vehicles, which obviously people don't like to see their vehicles being towed. But this one's completely sign written free. There's no company names on the vehicle at all, so I'm okay to film this. We're just covering the number plate, which makes a change. So we're just dropping the boom now. So we're going to pre-lift as always under the front axle, get it up onto some stands. Yeah, this model's got air suspension at the back. You say it's got a tail lift at the back. You say where it's parked and that, we could possibly rear lift it, okay, but so it does actually run a little bit, but it's just as easy as the front lift half the time. So we're just going under the front bumper now, onto the front axle. Just lift it on there now. Right, okay. So just checking the back end for the tail lift, because there's a high curb at the back. We're all clear there. There we go, up she goes. Right, let's get the stands out. There. Yeah, we will be removing the half shaft on the near side. This has got a diff lock, and diff lock will be on the driver's side, so we pull opposite the diff lock. You just say there'll be 24mm bolts on there. I have got half shaft cover to go on there, saves any mess, any oil while it's being towed, so we do that rather than remove the prop shaft. Right, here's a little fork to use for the DAF. They fit nicely. Let's get some chains out ready. There you go. Right, let's get that remote. Okay. Yeah, we're picking up on this axle here. It gets a little bit thicker going that way, and obviously we've got U-bolt there, so the ideal position for the fork is there, so it can't move, literally can't move any more than a couple of centimeters either way. So that's where we're gonna locate the forks. We'll have to adjust it a little bit to fit right, but once they're fitted, you say they can't move either way, and we're just going to chain as we always do over the top and to the side a little bit. Right, we're just lifting her up there now. Down a little bit. little bit more that side maybe. Yeah, they fit snugly, but you've got to be pretty much dead on in between the bolt and the thing. Make sure that's drop it down a little bit. Got a little bit to more me. Get that lined up perfect. Come on, you devil. It'll find its way in a second. Quick look around the back. Yeah, just that U-bolt that's holding on. Move it in a little bit. Once they're on, they're on. Yeah, look at that, lovely. I can't slide either way there. Okay. So we're lifting her off the stands now. Just a bit more height. Right, shading through the back. Over the axle, coming down again. There we go, then we're coming from the side. Over the top. Back on itself. There we go. Pick up another one. Yeah. Yeah, just about. That's fine. There we go. So that's not going to go either way. Right, leave it on there. There we go. The same the other side. Okay. Yeah, nice straightforward job this. No problems, says he. Yeah, we tend to do about 4 jobs a day at the moment, so we're fairly busy. It's quite nice when you get one not side the road in an area where it's safe to load. You ain't got to watch your back for traffic. Get more, a bit more on there. No, that's all that one that will do. That's fine. There we go. That's the front end in. Right, put the stands away. I think we'll do the half shaft next. Yeah, I will show you where the signs are to look out for, where the diff lock is. As you say, we pull the side opposite the diff lock. On the DAFs, you say same as this tractor unit to the right, it's always a near side we pull on a single drive. So they're 24mm. So we'll get that out. They are 24. Get my blue gloves out. There won't be much oil coming out of this, but don't get any of that on your hands. Okay. Bit of rag. Sometimes you can actually with a little claw hammer get behind the half shaft on these DAF, save hitting them, depending on how much silicone they've been applied and they've been fitted. Right, let's get the other cover out. That's alright. The motor's all isolated off. Right, I'll get the half shaft cover. DAF, that'll do me. And these half shaft covers, basically they're old half shafts that have snapped and we've just cut the shaft off, so just like a plate. Right, what I'll do actually, while I've got a bit of time in this one, I'll show you where the diff lock goes into the axle. Which side? Yeah, this is the side the diff locks will be, but you say it looks like it's been disconnected. There's no pipes or something going in there, so it's probably not activated, the diff lock on this one. So this is your 2 airbags, but you say we're all clear this side, so this is the half shaft we're pulling. Okay. broken on a little bit with that, a bit of rust on the bolts. So wind it in a little bit, give it a waggle. Yeah, his vehicle's I think it's 6 years old, so it's probably done a few miles. Probably a lot of these distribution vehicles are probably double manned, so it might go out at night as well. Get me try underneath in case it's actually siliconed on here. You might be able to give it a little pull. No, have to give it a little bit of encouragement. There we go. Clean this off a little bit, make sure. Oops, got stuff there. Get that ready. See a bit of oil coming out of this hatches. Get too much noise on these dads. Right. Put that there. Cover back. So we put a couple of bolts on there. Do a little dip in a bit of oil. Right. Help keep any oil from leaking while we're going. There we go. Right, yeah, before we come out of this. Yeah, that's the silicone. They fit around it to stop any leaks. So it seals properly. Right, okay. Okay, put that back in the half shaft holder. Let's get a bit of blue roll. So that clean up a bit of mess on the we made on the concrete. Yeah, this other tank here, this is probably run on red diesel. This will supply the fridge. Keep it cold. Right. There we go. Clean up a bit. That's it. Nobody knows we've been here. Right. Put this all away. Then I think next we go for the air lining. So we want to keep the suspension up and the brakes off. Yeah, on these DAF LFs, there won't be an air point under the grille like the XF. So we'll be going on the air dryer, which is normally on the near side. We'll crawl under there and have a look. But normally on the near side, behind the battery, we're probably looking out for that. Yeah, it's a bit. A little adapter that will wind into the test point on the air dryer. So normally the near side, so I'm taking a gamble, it's the near side. Okay. You see I'm getting under the vehicle, but I'm not getting under where the crosshead is at all now. So if anything should go wrong, it's only going to drop to the wheels and there's plenty of clearance for me. There we go, gotta go. Oh, this is the main feed into the air dryer. Oh, can pull it off. There we go. Winding that in now. This is what it's like from underneath a truck. So you don't mind doing it here, but on a motorway it's a different proposition. There we go, that's fine there. Okay, maybe a quick look underneath. Right, okay. Alright, it goes straight in here. I feel it leaking out the other end, that's a good sign. So it's connected alright. Right, we'll tidy up the cables a little bit. So I'm flapping around a bit when we're going down the road. Let's put one on there. Little band. And I'll move that forward actually. I know where to stick that there. There we go. Take the handbrake off slowly. Just double checking. There you go, we've got air, plenty of air in the system. Keys on the floor, don't need them. So we can adjust the air suspension on the back if it's a little bit low. I think it's up a little bit anyways, I think that'll be fine. We just need to put the ignition on and up it a little bit, but we're fairly high actually. I will check the height of this. But we're 13.2. So we're probably going up maybe another 8 inches to make it's about 14 foot, just under. So the thing's rolling all right. Okay. Basically, we can tow this with a boom nearly all the way in. Boom, now I'm just going to take her out just a little bit, get the level right. There we go, that's fine. Enough clearance. Right, okay. Tighten this up a little bit. There we go. Right, now the trailables. Call this nice easy bread and butter work. No stress. And that's how it should be really. You can just concentrate on what you're doing, get everything done right. No shortcuts. Everything's safe. Alright, it's okay. Alright, so synchronise the balls. Pull down a bit on this one, maybe. Get in there. Right, there we go. That's all done. Half shaft removed, cover replaced, airline in, feeding the air system. There we go. Just coming out of the depot now. Hopefully you can see how she follows on. It follows on quite well actually. There's no drama at all. Get him out. There we go. Need to have a couple of drivers waiting to come in. There we go. Just coming out. Just coming into Ivor Village. It gets a little bit narrow around here. So I thought I'd film a little bit with the 18 tonner on the back. Okay. And yeah, we're going right at the middle of mini roundabout, the end of the road. Yeah, not a lot of room around here. Yeah, we're going right here by the pub. We're going to need to get these cars moving in front of us. Where's he stopped there for? Which way is he going? He's going right. Okay. They're watching the back end round. If you've got that in the mirror. Road air closed, I hope not. That's the road we're going. There's no other way into this, because say the other way is a 7.5 ton bridge, so we've got to come this way. So there we go, through there. Into a little bit of countryside for a minute. Yeah, going over the top of the M25 now. Have a look, see how that's running. Here we go. It's moving all right for a Friday. Bit of traffic on there. Okay. We're only about a mile from the depot now, garage I should say. I'm taking the truck. Quite a nice straightforward job this morning. A little bit, but then branches overhanging a bit. All clear on there, it's all good sign. Yeah, it takes most of the lane up, as you can see through here. Speed camera on the left, it's 40, so well underneath that. Yeah, we've just got a bit of a sort of humpback bridge, then we'll be turning left into the industrial estate. That width limit is not this bridge, it's a bridge further up, you can see. So we're going to bring it down a little bit, slow it down into 30 now. Yeah, this is the industrial estate where we'll be turning. You say to negotiate the sort of left turn, I'll be getting into the other lane. Let this man go. Right, what we're going to do, we're going to put a couple of beacons on just to give us a little bit of cover for a second. I'll back for these cars, they'll be heading over to the right because we've got a road junction opposite there, so don't anybody coming out there and coming into us because we'll be the other side of the road. Bring her over to the right. Oh, there's a car coming out now. I'll park here and make his mind up which way is he going. Oh, he's going there, is he? Right. Hopefully go wide when he sees what we're up to. There we go. Alright, we're gonna workshops to the left, but this is their compound if they drive a little bit. There we have it on the back, so they've got a slight little lock on to get round here. It's no problem. So I'll pull up in their yard and go and see them opposite, let them know we arrived and find out what they want it parked. I'll just pop that in there, go down the middle. Right, there we go. Try and put my head out the window a little bit and show you how it follows on the truck. Just going over the speed bump. Yeah, you've got plenty of room to get round here, no problem. There we go, just coming in the gates now. Probably pull over the left a little bit in case there's anybody else needs to come round. Yeah, actually just following through now. There we go. Thanks very much for watching. I thought I'd do a little bit of filming just coming in the drive. I'm not sure how easy it is for you to see on my head torch, but it's a head camera, but we'll give it a go. Right, here we are, that'll do us. Go and see them and find out where they want it. Thanks very much for watching again.